In this video, I'll show you how to stake Toncoin in the Tonkeeper app step by step. First, open the Tonkeeper app on your phone and unlock your wallet. On the main screen, make sure you have Ton in your wallet balance, because this is the coin you will stake. Next, tap your Ton balance, then look for the stake or earn option in the menu. Tonkeeper allows you to delegate your Toncoin to Ton validators, which helps secure the network while earning staking rewards. After that, choose a validator pool from the list provided in the app. Each pool may show details like the estimated reward rate and minimum staking amount. Select the pool you want to use and enter the amount of Ton you want to stake. Before confirming, review the staking details and network fee. Once everything looks correct, tap Stake and approve the transaction in Tonkeeper. After the transaction is confirmed on the Ton blockchain, your Ton will be delegated to the validator, and you'll start earning staking rewards over time. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.